What's up, Pickle Peeps? Alright, so today we are covering a quick Canva tip. This is kind of one of those, in case you didn't know, if you ever wanted to add curved text to your designs, that's what we're covering today, so let's do it. Okay, so we are starting this right here in Canva, and all I've done is added a piece of text here. So I have my Stay Epic. You can put whatever kind of text you want, or actually, I'm going to add two pieces of text here so I can show you how to make curves in both directions and all the cool stuff you can do with this. So I'm going to have Stay Epic Beastie. Kind of blending my two brands here, but that is a-okay. Okay, so to make your text curved, super duper simple, you're going to simply click on your text box, come up to the effects section, and if I move me over here, right down you'll have all your styles. You can do the cool things like the neon. I use splice and hollow all the time. They have background now, but we are looking at curved right here. And just about all of the stuff on Canva, once you click it once, then a menu opens up. And this one I actually had to scroll down because I missed it in the beginning, that we now have curve control here, so we can decide how much curve we want. So this is 100% curve on our text here. And if we actually click on this, you'll see the circle that it's kind of sitting on. So that's our 100% curve. And if we took it down to 0, we would be at no curve. And if we take it into the negatives, now we're going to be curving up instead of curving down, which is super cool. And you're going to see it when we do our next word, Beastie. So if we did this at 100% for Stay Epic, great. Now we can take Beastie. I probably should have put Pickle Peep in there, but that's okay. And we'll hit curve again. And you can see how it's following that same line as that one. Scroll down, and we're going to take this instead to be the other side. Now, these circles are a little bit different size because they're not, my text is not the same size. Ooh, that. Boop. So you could do it like that. You could totally, not eyeball it like I'm doing, but actually, that would be, on the same circle. So if I take my Stay Epic down here and bring my Beastie about there, boom. Now they're on the same circle line right there, but you can adjust it however you want. And it's so much fun, Pickle Peep, to add in these kind of transitions on our text. So we have that going. Let's see if we can throw a secondary one on there. Maybe we'll do a hollow text. And then on the hollow, I like it thin. I don't like the super thick. That looks like newspaper mess up to me. So there's that one, or we can go for a splice or an echo. I typically like lifts and shadows myself personally. Neon effect, I don't really use that much. Background is just weirdo. Glitch is cute. Alright, but that is super duper quick how to add curves on text. Now, if you're following a shape in here, say you had a... I'm going to go for a circle here. But say you had a circle going in your background, and maybe you want your curved text to be inside our circle. So you know approximately where your stuff is. But you want to make sure that it's fitting, because this is kind of an oblong circle here. So if we go back into our effects and our curve, we can kind of widen that out a bit so it follows that line here. Because this is kind of egg-shaped a little bit. It's a little oddball. So we can do that to make it all line up, but just in some, play with it, play with your lines. 100% is going to be the tight circle, and then as you get closer and closer to 0, it's going to come back to a straight line. And that is that one. Welcome to Melissa's Canva Quick Tips. I don't know if that's going to be a thing or not, but a lot of fun right here. I hope you enjoyed. So go forth, have fun playing with text, Pickle Peep, and I will see you on our next one. If you enjoyed this quick tip, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and marketing tips coming throughout the whole 90 days. I believe today is day number 28. All right, see you in the next one, Pickle Peep.